So if you're somebody who is actually willing to learn system design and want to understand some cool and interesting concepts around low-level design, high-level design, which are very, very important for understanding the scalable architectures and the system intricacies, then this is going to be the final call for the new system design course on Algocamp, right? This is going to be a one-stop solution where all of the important concepts regarding low-level design, machine coding, high-level design, distributed systems and whatnot, everything is going to be covered in detail. We're going to start with all the important concepts of low-level design, understand the solid principles, see some very interesting design patterns including strategy pattern, builder pattern, criteria pattern, right, decorator pattern and whatnot, right? So all the most important patterns that are very important for solving any machine coding round we are going to discuss, and then we are going to solve tons and tons of problems on top of that. Problems like how you can code your own ATM machine, how you can actually code the problem of a chess-like game, right? How can you code the problem of applying filters to different companies like an e-commerce app? How can you build coupon-based systems and whatnot? And all of these problems, apart from the solutions that we are going to discuss ourselves, there are going to be tons and tons of problem solving that you can do yourself. We have curated some really interesting questions that are very, very frequently asked in a lot of companies. And this is going to give you a very good practice on how exactly to solve step by step all the LLD related questions. Because I have seen a lot of people actually struggling with the fact that they know what kind of good object oriented principles, solid principles to apply, but in kind of like a 1 hour scenario, they kind of struggle. And this is going to help you a lot. This course is going to help you a lot there. And not just there, we are going to discuss a lot of interesting high-level design problems. We are going to discuss some really interesting high-level design case studies, some important topics around distributed systems, some advanced topics around how exactly clock synchronization works, right? How exactly you can actually make some very core problems like making something like a counter which is going to be distributed, right? Understanding some complex data structures like CRDT and all the basic concepts including maintainability, reliability, scalability, how you can actually scale your applications, designing and discussing all the important cache related architectures, and on top of that, a lot of problem solving here as well. Because once we understand the concepts of system design, it becomes extremely important for us to actually see where we can apply those concepts all together and what kind of problems we can solve. So this course is going to help you a lot. A lot of details around that has been already uploaded, and I would say go check out the link in the description section below and understand the complete syllabus. We have made sure that this course becomes more like a self-paced course so that we have kept it in a more hybrid-like solution, right? In this one, you are going to get a lot of recorded content, and we are going to do 1 to 2 weekly live sessions where we are going to pick up one important topic and try to do a lot of decoding, understanding, discussion and problem solving around that. So if you're somebody who is actually aiming to upskill themselves in understanding the core basics of system design, both with respect to low-level design and machine coding along with high-level design, then this is going to be a one-stop solution for you. You can use the coupon code system to get massive discounts on the price, and all the details are going to be linked in the description section below, so do check it out. So I'm really excited for the course. This is going to be one of the finest offerings that we are going to have, and I'm really excited to see you guys in the course. That being said, let's wrap this particular video here. We're going to meet soon in the next set of videos where we are going to continue our discussion on a lot of interesting things around careers in tech. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I'm Sanket Singh signing off.